Dr. Atingi nagira ngo ikizibu cy'abana b'Abaishiki abari kutwara bakiri bato mchanga ecya Albertine Nikweyongyera bwashesha bwera atundi ko kwehanagiza bicyo kwataho bona ukukwatanisa hamwe kurebeka ngo muzogu gwarwanso bigambe bi Dr. Atingi abigambira hamukoro gwo kwiguraho ishemerezo ahirware rya Kigorobya Health Center 4 mu district ya Hoima ishemerezeri yombekerwa ba Bank of Uganda umwanya wo gwigwirwaho ndwija kuyamba abantu ukorwa mugombora Kigorobya amwe n'abandi ukorwa mu ihanga ya Democratic Republic of Congo.
We must address the unique vulnerabilities faced by the young mothers, the teenagers, particularly the alarming rates of the teenage pregnancies prevalent in this region. Kigorobya Health Center 4 stands as a beacon of hope, serving the vital needs of thousands of patients annually across the sub-counties of Bombo, Kijongo, Kapapi, Kigorobya, and Kisukuma. Recognizing its critical role, we acknowledge that this facility serves a broader community, extending its reach even beyond our borders to include the patients from the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Muringo ngogumwe Dr. Atingi ayanangirize government Okutwara nk'enshonga kuru ukongera sento mbyamagara. Permanent Secretary wa Ministry y'Amagara Dr. Diana Twine ayanangirize district ya Hoima okutaha abakozi abukora mu theater.
When we have partners that are really coming to support us, we must make it a priority at all costs, at all times, to make sure that critical cadres are recruited, provided we have the way, because also when we don't have the way, it becomes problematic.
Ibyo bikiriyaho Dr. Lawrence Tumsime urukora kamukuru by'amagara district ya Hoima hamwe na Dr. Lawrence Baruko urukora kamukuru w'irwareri rya Kigorobya Health Center 4 bagambire bumwe ahabaremezi ubari kutungo mu kicekeke
abakurembezi n'abataka ba Kigorobya tukufuna abana abataka hikire abana b'imyaka 14 myaka 15, 16 kwika 19 abayingi bali mu 14, 15, 16 bayinenda so kino kirikiza umuno habakuba umwana ogo aba makufa gataka kozereke gataka kozire
Muringo ngogumwe orya person wentebe ya katano aba district eji Uthman Mugisa na washoborere kube n'uburemezi bw'umwijuzo ahirwaro ndiorumwe.
They're having a very, very big number of patients, even beyond their capacity. So having given us this theater means that we are now going to also decongest that facility, then we are going to have now less referrals from Hoima and Bulisa, because sometimes we get even referrals from Bulisa to Kigorobya, then later on to Hoima regional referral.
Bakuraga gasha kwa gada saba Sky TV agenshonga Hoima.